Hello guys, today we're going to see about auto layout. So basically auto layout is automatically adjust the component inside the frame. So let's start it. So first just type some text all over it. So to create button in manually first we draw a rectangle over the text area. So then make a rectangle to move backward. So now it looks like a button. But if we types something like here, see uh, I'm typing my name, I'm Shakti. Just look, the text is going out of the box. It is not automatically adjust. But in auto layout, it is automatically adjust. Wait, for auto layout, we're creating another text field. Just saying, welcome to the channel. Then drag this text field, Shift plus A, or we can do here to add auto layer. So to know about auto layer, just fill background color, something like red, and for text field, create a white. So that's all. So to look like button, just we bend the rectangle 20. Since we added auto layer, see the change. I'm typing. I'm Sakti. See, the frame is automatically adjust to the text. This is the feature of auto layer.